A vital component of land development and building projects is contour surveying. Engineers and architects can plan and create structures that are well suited to the natural topography by measuring and recording the contours of the terrain. Contour surveyors are essential to ensure that building projects are carried out effectively and in accordance with local laws in Mainsar, a city in Haryana, India, that is quickly rising. Mainsar contour surveyors use cutting-edge methods and tools to precisely measure the elevation, slope, and form of the ground. Then, using this data, precise contour maps are made that offer useful insights into the topography. These maps assist architects and engineers in evaluating a project's viability, identifying potential difficulties, and creating workable design solutions. Designers may make the best use of available space, reduce the need for earthwork, and make sure that constructions are safe and secure by taking into account the natural contours of the land. SCON Design is one business in Mainsar that specializes in contour surveying. SCON Design provides thorough surveying services to clients in a variety of industries with a team of skilled professionals and cutting-edge technology. Due to their proficiency in contour surveying, they can offer precise information and thorough contour maps that support the design and implementation of building projects. SCON Design is aware of how critical fast and precise surveying is to the construction sector. They can quickly and effectively gather data on the ground with their team of knowledgeable surveyors, and they can provide contour maps of the highest quality. This enables their clients' projects to move forward without interruptions or hiccups. SCON Design provides a wide range of surveying services in addition to contour surveying, such as boundary surveys, topographic surveys, and construction staking. In order to successfully complete construction and land development projects, contour surveying is essential. It entails measuring and mapping the land contours, which helps engineers and architects to plan and design buildings that are compatible with the local terrain. Contour surveyors are essential to the successful completion of construction projects in Mainsar, a city in the Indian state of Haryana that is quickly rising. In order to precisely calculate the elevation, slope, and shape of the ground, contour surveyors in Mainsar use cutting-edge methods and tools. Then, using this data, precise contour maps that offer insightful views of the terrain are produced. With the use of these maps, architects and engineers can evaluate a project's viability, spot potential problems, and create useful design solutions. Designers may maximize space use, reduce the need for earthwork, and guarantee that constructions are safe and secure by being aware of the natural contours of the terrain. SCON Design is one business that specializes in contour surveying in Mainsar. SCON Design delivers thorough surveying services to customers in a variety of industries, thanks to a staff of qualified experts.